So today I have the key to the 2025 Acura MDX Type S, and I'm going to take a moment to showcase how to replace your battery in this should it go bad in your key fob. So first off, grab your Type S MDX key like I have here. So flip it on the button side and you see there is a blank button at the bottom, kind of like a triangle. You're going to push that in while pulling on your key ring, and that's going to release the manual key that is hidden inside of your key. So pushing down, and you got the manual key right here. So grab that manual key, flip it on the side that has the Acura branding and the Type S, and put it in this slot right here at the bottom, like so. So once you have it there, kind of twist up or down. You're going to be popping this kind of plastic piece with the branding off. So I'm going to twist right now. It's very easy. Put your manual key to the side for a moment and pull this off. This is the kind of hidden door. So it will reveal a Panasonic CR2032 battery. So I have a link in the description for the cheapest place to get one of these on Amazon. So click that link, get you a battery. Should you need to pop this out, you can pretty much put that key anywhere on these little trim piece spots over here. Just pop it out. I do not need to do that. It's a fresh, brand new press car, but I'm just making this video so in about a year or two, when these batteries start going dead, you can easily find this video. When you do get your new battery, try not to touch the side opposite of the Panasonic or whatever the branding that you choose the battery, because the other side, your oils will break down the battery and you will likely have to do this a lot faster than you should. So pop that battery back in, clamshell all this back together. I always joke, do not push the red button or accidentally, because you'll scare yourself or scare your neighbors. So click that together. Then don't forget to slide your manual key back into position, click it all together, and you are good to go. There is no need to key or code the key back to your car or any sort of lies you may be told at a car dealership so they can get an hour's worth of hour rate out of you and bill you for that. Some dealers will do this for free just to keep you as a customer, and some will really charge you for an hour of work just for what I just did. So if I saved you a trip to the dealer, saved you some money, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you get a moment. Thanks for watching.